Stay critical to locally. Oh man, somebody needs a diaper.
Bad flooding here in Nanuet. We have a BMW that's underwater.
Window and it's flooded in my car. There's really waves on the road right now. Like it's like a lake. Look at this shit. Everybody trying to flood.